Today we are going to use this product called Super Glue for the porcelain kitchen sink. So as you can see right here, my sink has a lot of chips, but we'll talk about that later. Anyways, so I got this at Home Depot and this is my first time using it. I saw some people who review this on YouTube and I figured that it wouldn't hurt to try, so yeah. Okay guys, as you can see, my kitchen sink looks disgusting right now. However, it will look beautiful after this porcelain chip fix glue. Okay, so let me zoom in to show you guys how this looks like. So you can see how parts of the paint of the porcelain sink got chipped off. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the last one, 6. So the directions is that the surface to be repaired should be clean and dry. Point the tube away from face and body, unscrew cap, and pierce the tube with point on outer cap. Apply the porcelain chip fix to damaged area and carefully level it with a straight edge. I don't have a straight edge, so I'm just going to use a putty knife instead. And after you apply this glue on, you're gonna have to allow it to dry for 10 minutes or let it dry overnight actually. You can also use nail polish remover or acetone to remove excess porcelain chip. FYI. Let's go! So I'm just gonna dab this on top of the damaged area. Okay, this is what it looks like so far. Okay guys, so that literally took me like 5 minutes to do and it was very simple to apply. As you can tell from here, you'll notice that there aren't any more chip damaged areas on the sink like it used to be. I'm gonna let it dry overnight, but this is what it looks like after I apply the epoxy glue onto the porcelain sink. Okay, but like honestly though, this isn't the greatest. Like if you wanted to hire a professional, you do you. However, if you want to do something that's completely DIY, cheap and quick, this is a great alternative. Thank you for watching guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye!